Introduction to Fabulous.
Fabulous is an app designed to help you build healthy habits and daily routines. Using science-backed strategies, it guides you one step at a time towards lasting behavior change. Whether you want to wake up earlier, drink more water, or exercise regularly, Fabulous provides tools and motivation to keep you on track and reach your goals.
Step-by-step habit formation.
Fabulous uses a gradual approach to habit building, breaking big goals into small, manageable steps. Each new routine is introduced with detailed instructions and reminders, helping you focus on one change at a time. This method makes it easier to adopt new habits and maintain them, reducing the feeling of being overwhelmed.
Personalized daily journeys.
The app offers personalized journeys that suggest habits based on your choices and goals. Daily tasks are tailored so you can focus on routines that matter most to you, such as improving sleep, increasing productivity, or practicing mindfulness. As you progress, the recommendations adapt, keeping your journey relevant and motivating.
Motivational coaching and reminders.
Fabulous keeps users motivated with timely reminders and positive coaching messages. These gentle nudges encourage consistency and celebrate small wins. The app also includes coaching sessions with guided audio, providing extra support and actionable tips for overcoming common challenges in habit formation.
Tracking progress and building streaks.
A key feature of Fabulous is its progress tracking. You can easily see how consistently you complete your routines, with visual streaks and progress charts as rewards. This immediate feedback helps reinforce positive behavior and motivates you to continue building lifelong habits, one day at a time.